Welcome! I'm Jacqueline Luongo. I'm the U.S. Sales Manager for the Northeast for Inika Organic. I've been a licensed esthetician and makeup artist for 20 years. I'm here to share with you the highest standard of protocol to be sanitary when doing our makeup applications. First, let's start with sanitizing. We start with sanitizing our hands with hand sanitizer that contains at least 70% alcohol, or we can use the universal disinfectant, which is 70% alcohol in our spray bottle. This is what I use to sanitize the work surface as well as the metal palette that I will be using as my work surface. Starting with our clean set of brushes, we've just cleansed our brushes with antibacterial soap and laid them flat to dry. You can also spray the brush with 70% alcohol and remove any residue on a tissue, paper towel, or 4x4. Let's get started. To prevent cross-contamination or double dipping into any product, we would simply start with any liquids, our primers, BB cream, or liquid foundation, and simply pumping that product onto the metal surface and working from here with your foundation brush to then apply directly to the client. When applying any dry product, we would not double dip into the container directly, but we would scrape the product onto the metal surface and work from there with our brushes. Also, working with any of the loose product, we would do the same, opening the product and depositing it onto the metal palette, never using the top or the container as a work surface because that can cause cross-contamination. Also, when choosing our cream-based products, our luminizers or concealers, we would use a disposable wooden spatula to scrape the item and work from the wooden spatula as a surface or deposit the color onto the metal surface. When we've chosen a vegan lipstick or lip tint, we would simply use a wooden spatula and scrape the side of the product, and we can use the wooden spatula or deposit the color onto the metal palette and work from that surface with our applicator or lip brush. If you selected to use one of our lip glazes, we would open the tube and simply dip a disposable applicator or wooden Q-tip into the product, and we can work from this surface using a lip brush or the applicator, or you can deposit the color onto the metal palette as well. To prevent cross-contamination in our mascara or brow perfector, we would use a disposable mascara wand. Simply opening the tube, putting the disposable into the product, and applying it directly to the client. If we need to add more color, we would simply dispose of this and start with a fresh one. When choosing any of our pencils, lip liners, eyeliner, brow pencil, or lip crayon, we would always keep our sharpener sanitized in between clients, beginning with spraying the pencil with 70% alcohol and then sharpening the product onto a tissue or into the trash, and then proceeding to directly deposit the color onto the client. These are the items needed for your makeup application: 70% alcohol, pencil sharpener for the lip crayons and pencils, disposable Q-tips, disposable wooden spatulas, disposable mascara wands, and a metal palette. I hope you found these tips to be helpful. Please stay safe and healthy. Thank you.